zombie?
Yeah, tell us!
Please, guys, help me!
If you want to save her, come to the haunted house.
Oh no, we have to save her!
Yeah, let's go! Look, Frankenstein, that's the haunted house!
Welcome to the most scary place of the monster world.
The house can talk! It's so scary! What?
Of course I can talk. Go to the front door and good luck.
Don't worry, mommy. Let's go.
Okay. It's so scary! Who is that guy? He's so scary!
Don't worry. Let's go.
Okay.
Enter at your own risk.
The door opened by itself!
Let's go, mommy.
Okay.
Hello? Anyone here?
What? Huh? What is that?
I don't think anyone's here!
Let's go upstairs.
Okay.
Who are they? They're so scary.
We're the ghosts. How dare you come in this house?
You have to pay!
Oh my monster, they're so scary, what are we gonna
Don't
do?
be scared. I'll talk to them. Ghosts, we don't want to bother you. I'm just here for my love zombie.
Came to save zombie? You seem like a great monster.
If you want a challenge, I'll let you go find her.
Challenge? What challenge?
Haha, the hot versus cold challenge.
You have to win 2 challenges to save zombie.
Hot versus cold? Challenge accepted.
Wait, they might be tricking us!
I'll do anything for my zombie.
All right, good. Let the challenge begin.
This is the first round. You just need to eat the sauces.
Just eating sausage? That's easy! So good! I finished the challenge! We can go to the second round, right?
Yeah.
What? That's not the challenge.
Yeah, the challenge is eating sausage with hot sauce. There are 7 levels of hot sauce. You have to dip the sausage from mild to knockout.
Huh? Frankenstein, don't do it!
Don't worry, mommy. I'll do it for my love.
No more talking. If you want to do it, do it.
Or you'll lose.
Okay, I'll do it now.
Stop, Frank. I'm your friend. Let me do it. Alright, I'll try the first level. Oh, that's so spicy! Ah, my head! Ah.
Mommy, are you okay?
I'm not alright. It's so spicy!
Watch out, I'll do it. I'm gonna do all the levels at the same time.
Good job. You win the first round.
Are you ready for the second round or to lose, Frankenstein?
No, I can't lose. I'm ready for the next round.
Good. The second challenge is the cold challenge.
For this round, you must take the ice cube and put it in your mouth for 1 minute. If you take it out, you'll lose.
Holding ice for 1 minute? That's impossible!
I don't care. I'm gonna do it. Oh, my lungs are so cold.
Are you okay, Frankenstein? If it's too cold, take it out!
Seems like you love zombies so much.
Enough! That's enough. You win this challenge.
Yeah, we did it! Good job!
All right, go upstairs.
Zombies waiting for you.
Help me, Frankenstein! Please help me!
Huh? Upstairs? It looks so scary!
Thank you, Ghost. We're gonna go now. Come on, mommy.
Okay.
Oh, so scary.
It's so scary!
Don't worry, Mom. It's just a picture.
Okay.
It's okay. Let's just keep going.
Hurry! Oh, what is that?
Oh, it's so scary.
Help me, Frankenstein! Please help me! Get me out of here!
Huh? Did you hear that?
That's Zombie. We gotta go save her.
Let's go!
What is this?
Where are we? What is that?
Huh? How dare you come into my witch's lair?
I'm sorry. We didn't mean to be here.
I don't care!
Abracadabra.
Why is it so scary?
Oh no, we're in the crystal ball.
That's what you get for trespassing.
Oh, Witch, I didn't mean to bother you. I just came here to save my love zombie.
Oh, you're looking for your love? That's so sweet. I'll let you out. Aloma Sara.
Oh, thank you, Witch. We're gonna go now.
Yeah, we'll go.
Hey, stop right there. I let you out, but that doesn't mean I let you go.
Huh? Then what do you want us to do?
Yeah.
My challenge is so easy. It's don't choose the wrong food challenge.
Don't choose the wrong food challenge?
What do you mean?
Yeah.
You have to choose between real and fake food. Choose the wrong food and you'll never see zombie again.
Huh? Why is she laughing? Frankenstein, don't do it. She's evil.
I have to save my love. Challenge accepted.
Okay, then let the challenge begin. All right, I have 4 slices of cake. Choose the wrong one and you know what happens.
Oh, that looks so real.
Choose this one. It has raspberries.
Let me see. I think I'll choose these 2.
Huh? Are you sure? It looks too real. Maybe it's a trick.
Hurry up, I don't have all day. Choose now.
Okay, I choose these ones.
No, not that one.
Don't worry, trust me. I know what I'm gonna do. Oh.
Huh? That's a real cake? I'll choose the white one too. Hey, it's a squishy.
Frankenstein, you still have another slice. Try it. If it's fake, you lose.
I'm not gonna lose. Watch this. Oh, so yummy. I win this challenge, Witch.
Good job, Frankenstein. Now time for the second round. Choose the real orange juice.
Huh? They look the same. How are we gonna know which one's the real orange juice?
Let me see.
No smelling, guys. Looking only.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, which one are you gonna choose? How about this one?
Oh, this one? I think I'm gonna choose this one.
Huh? You're gonna choose that one? You never trust me. Fine, I'll drink this one.
Mommy, I told you, this is the real orange juice. Look. See?
Good job. You win the challenge. Now get out of here and find zombie.
Okay, thank you, Witch.
Huh? Where are we?
Frankenstein, help me.
Zombie.
Stop right there!
Huh? Vampire?
Oh, she's so evil. What are we gonna do?
If you want to save zombie, you have to pass my challenge.
What challenge?
It's the lick, bite, or nothing challenge. Do you accept my challenge or not?
Oh, can you trust her?
No, I have no choice.
Okay, fine. I'll do it for you.
No, Mommy, both of you have to do the challenge.
Huh?
Fine, challenge accepted.
The first challenge is durian.
What? Why is it so spiky?
Yeah, that looks crazy.
I don't care. Time to choose.
Okay, I'll take this one.
I'll take this one then.
Oh, nothing.
Oh, I got licked. No.
Mommy, go ahead and lick the durian.
Oh no. This is so scary. I think my tongue is stuck. Help.
Are you okay? Let me help you. Stay there, Mommy. I'm gonna help you.
You guys win the first round. The second round is eyeballs.
Eating eyeballs? That's so gross.
I'm telling you, Frankenstein, she's evil.
I am evil, but are you gonna try it or not?
Fine. We'll do it.
Yeah.
Alright, choosing time.
I got licked.
I got bite.
Alright, good luck.
Oh, how does it taste, Frankenstein?
That's so gross.
Do I really have to bite it?
If you don't bite it, it's okay. Zombie will just disappear.
Okay, fine.
Oh, we finished the challenge. Let zombie go.
Yeah.
She's all yours now.
The lock. You have to unlock it.
With all these keys.
What?
Oh, there's like a million keys. Is it this one?
I don't know.
This one maybe.
Hey guys, this is the key you need.
Oh, thanks, zombie. Hey, this is the key right here,
Oh
Frankenstein.
yeah. Zombie?
Yeah, I'm here. Thank you for helping me, vampire.
What? Helping? What do you mean?
Yeah.
Everybody helped to test your love for me.
Congratulations, you passed.
What? This was just a test?
Dad, I almost died, zombie.
No, you wouldn't. It was just a challenge. And thank you, my love.
Oh.
Hi everyone. Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Remember to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button.
Yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.